We originally had a strategy of just using private on-premise cloud and really only using public cloud for dev and test environments. Probably about 18 months ago we changed that strategy to more fully embrace a public cloud environment and therefore looking at hybrid cloud management platforms and also development platforms that would work in the public cloud environment. At that stage we took a look at the market, investigated what was available, and really Red Hat was the clear winner. We held a number of workshops at the beginning of the project with Red Hat, and they were really valuable. There was a good relationship building, but also finding much more about the product, and also for the Red Hat team to really find out how our environment worked. It was complex, so helping us work out how we could simplify that environment and fit it into the solutions that they had available. They were well worth doing. We did the project hand in hand with Red Hat. We've successfully deployed CloudForms across our on-premise cloud environment. We've extended the provisioning capabilities of those environments into our public cloud. And we're in the middle of just completing an OpenStack implementation on-premise as well. We can have good debates and the relationship is really professional, which means the teams can discuss and argue sometimes, which is okay because everyone's in it for the end goal. One of the best things about having the Red Hat consulting team on site and working with us hand in hand in the project was their experience of having done this in other places, which you don't always get through other vendors.